Making game is hard. It took several years. Unity programming, music, sound effect, graphic designing, 3D modeling, 2D modeling, and the list goes on. So if you had watched my previous video, then you know that I gave up at the end. So I will not give up this time, or will I? So first thing first, make a Unity project. I don't know what I should name it. Wait, I don't know. Good name. So yeah, we will wait because I have a toaster. As you can see, only 8 GB RAM and Core i3 and very bad graphic card. Again, if you have watched my previous video, then you will know that I learned some lessons at the end, and the second lesson was to always make a game plan before you make a game. That's very important. So yeah, we will do that. I made this story that there will be a player named Mike or Mick who need to find his dad. That's why he go up to the sky so he can find his dad, but he found out that his dad is kidnapped by a kidnapper and his dad is in the castle. So to reach the castle he need to do the parkour and also beat enemies collecting coins in the way. So you need coins for weapons, health and stamina and other things. When finally Mike reached to his dad, Mike found out that his dad was experimenting him, so he got angry, pushed his dad into a portal that took him into another dimension. So Mike now need to do another parkour to reach his dad again. I know that was dumb, don't laugh. I also make some to-do lists. I'm sure I can make this in 7 days. Or will I? And then I started making UI, and if you had watched again my previous video, then my pause menu was not working in my previous video, so that's why I made pause menu before making the actual game. I made play option and pause menu. The text and the style was looking very cool. I love the style. I used Text Mesh Pro in Unity. This option menu script only took me 2 hours. Oh my god. And then I built the project, and yeah, resolution drop down was not working. So again, if you had watched my previous video, then in my previous video my resolution drop down was not working. That's because I freaking don't watch the full tutorial and I am dumb. I can feel day 2 will not be that easy. The rest of the day I made camera movements so you can see with eyes. Day 1 was over like that because I started day 1 late. As the second day started, I was about to start making player movement, but then I realized I can use free asset for FPS controller. Then I got on Unity asset store and typed FPS controller and downloaded this asset. It was not working. Anyways, it was first attempt, second attempt. Then I downloaded this asset and then this happened. I searched a lot what the problem is, but to no avail. Third attempt, but I don't know what the it was looking so nice and cool, but this error was me. I tried again and again. It was not working, so I made my own controller, but first we need a character. So yeah, I find this and now I own this. It was not working. I made capsule. It's just me, or
Stop copying my dialogue, you bitch.
I don't know why there was no axis built in. I make only axis that I will use. I just copy and paste from Google, and then I made gravity, jumping. It was easy because I have made before. And then play testing, I felt I was not motivated, so I asked my any friend to give me motivation, and then he said open me, not me, the folder, you dumb. Oh sorry. When I opened the folder, what the I said give me motivation on game dev, not bedtime. And then he said open me again. When I opened the folder, Brock is the god of Unity was showing me thumbs up. I was very motivated. And then I saw the next photo. I burst into tears. Why Brock is leave us? After popping some party poppers for New Year's, I got back to work. Then I tried making melee attack. It was very difficult. Only animation took me several hours. I don't know. It was not working, so I slept. Next day was very scary, trust me. I wake up. When I played the game, it was showing error. I played it again and it was still showing the error. Then I googled it, but I can't find anything helpful. I tell to my any friend that I am stressed. What should I do? Then he said, I have been seeing you struggling with your dream. The real problem is with you. You gave up very quickly and waste a lot of time in YouTube and Pornhub. Okay, so I don't know how he knows that. I suggest to delete Unity Hub editor and install a new version. Okay. Then I said thanks. Then he said wait. Also change the wallpaper. I choose the wallpaper. You never gonna give. Never give up. I know that sucks. Then I downloaded the new version. After launching my project in the new version, I hit it play, but it was not working. Then I tried everything from reinstalling Unity Hub to searching in Google, but I was very disappointed. So I asked my any friend, what should I do? He said, you end the video.